Where does data fit into the equation for value, opt-in value exchange ads?
Go ahead.
Yeah, so I think we use data just like any other ad format, to be honest. So that's kind of the power of it. It works like any other ad format. In terms of what we do at Unity is we definitely apply contextual targeting. We worry a lot about brand safety, which I know obviously we've talked about, fraud, things like that, so to make sure that we curate the type of inventory that the brand is specifically looking for and driving that with data. In addition to that, as a company, we're actually doing a ton around data in terms of finding the right experience for the user at the right time. So maybe it's an ad, or maybe it's you're being upsold to buy something inside of your game, or whatever it is. And so we're actually now moving into not just using these placements for traditional ads, but for all different types of experiences that a user can have inside of that app. And the benefit then to advertisers and brands is that you know that if we're serving an ad to that user, that means that that's the person and the time that they will be most engaged. And so you're kind of benefiting from making sure that they're not interested in something else, and ultimately getting that time spent and kind of raising their hand to really participate with the brand message.
Yeah, so you're reaching them in that moment of need.
Yes.
Right?
I would echo exactly what Agatha said. I think, again, from a Pandora perspective, or actually just from a marketing perspective, I think data and understanding a known audience and then understanding them from a behavior and psychographic perspective are just table stakes these days. I think consumers have an expectation of show me you know me, and if you don't, you risk having them tune out to your messaging for good. And I think from a Pandora perspective, we work really hard to take the logged in, persistently logged in user base that we have and the declared data that we have, deterministic data, and pair that with the billions of data points in terms of behaviors that we see and how people listen, when they listen, what their music interests are, to create a psychographic profile of consumers, not only to target, but then to display these types of opt-in value exchange ads in a way that's going to be most meaningful for them. So if they are about to start a workout, or they want to study and have a classical station, like those are all meaningful moments at which giving a value exchange of uninterrupted listening, or they want to skip an ad, all those moments are accretive to the halo effect for not only the brand marketer that's advertising, but for Pandora as a brand. Because I think in an ad-supported environment, and again, from a Pandora perspective, the more personalized we can make our marketing efforts to that end listener and make them as valuable and as personalized as the music that's coming out of their earbuds, then we all win.